My name is Daniel Okwemakinde. I happen to be the video editing class instructor, and we're able to take the basics and even a little bit more than basics today. And we had a moment where we had to charge the student to do exploits and make sure what they have learned even today and over time to make use of it. It's not just acquiring knowledge, it's not just that, but practicalizing, materializing, making use of that knowledge. And at Skills Buffet, the platform that brought about this training and this seminar and this workshop, this networking and mentorship of a thing, we came up with this to train youth, teenagers, young adults to be independent and self-reliant, let me put it that way, so that they don't just be like they are gallivanting around, or they are just making fools of themselves around. We have many people that just want to say they'll study up on the internet, and the truth be told, you can't learn everything on the internet. You just need somebody to put you through, and maybe whatever is on the internet can make sense. So that's just what we have done. And video editing class was fine because we even had practical camera classes, and we had series of whatever that was even beneficial to the video editing class. We had great time. We were able to talk business and video editing and video editing business. We were able to talk about how it can relate, how we can touch the society even with the content we had it. And talked about many things. I think if you would love to be an entrepreneur in these fields that the buffet is bringing on, the courses we are bringing on, I believe you should just please follow on and continue to log on to us.
Hello guys, my name is Abdel Absamad. I came here to attend the Klinic Skill Buffet training. I took a course on video editing, and the reason why I'm here is because I believe that education should not end in classroom. I came here to empower myself so that I'll be able to put video editing to use, to be able to send a message to people out there, to communicate. So I think students and entrepreneurs should key into the Klinic Skills Buffet training in order to empower themselves. I'm Abdel Absamad, a medical student from University of Lagos. Thank you.
My name is Anthony Francis. I came here to study the course video editing, and it has been an awesome experience. I love the way the teacher put some illustration and reacted a little of drama and all that. This course has given me an added advantage in my productivity, and I'm happy that I came here today. Skill Buffet is an awesome organization.
I'm Olamide Fadim Louis. It has been a wonderful time at Skill Buffet. I was in the video editing class, and it has been powerful. We used the software Adobe Premiere Pro, and it has been something else. We learned from the basics to how we could actually cut and join, put effects on the videos we've made. We also did a little of cinematography, and the instructor did a very nice one. I give it up for Skill Buffet. The next time they will be having such class, please just try to link up, keep yourself posted to know when the next one will be, so you'll be a part of this wonderful class. Thank you, Skill Buffet, and God bless you.